How to delete WeChat messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete WeChat messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now the first step is you will need to open up WeChat. After you open it up, make sure that you're on the chats section. It is on the bottom right corner right here. Now here you will find a list of chats. Now if you want to delete a chat, all you need to do is simply select the chat here. You can head over here, and if you head over to the top right corner, that is this three dots here, you can just clear your chat history. Clear your chat history and all of your chat will get deleted. Now if you want to delete it from your chat section altogether, what you'll need to do is simply right swipe on that very chat, and after you do that, you'll see the delete option and you'll see delete and clear records. Tap on it and now it's gone forever. And that is how you can delete or remove your chats in WeChat, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.